Hello, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A31. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app and tap blue button at the bottom of the screen. Focus on loyalty, gift card and transit. Firstly, let's enter loyalty card and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Let's go back and now select gift card. Similar to loyalty card, select a shop and now enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. And the last card you could add is transit. If you are able to find the transit way, select it, you'll be redirected to website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.